Welcome to Vignana Jyoti YouTube channel. Now I am here going to explain completing square method for one more problem, those who are having imaginary roots. Here the problem is solve 3x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0 by using completing square method. In my previous video, I have already explained the words in this phrase. So here square means this square represents make LHS as a square term. Okay, that's why you are using the word square. This square meant for you have to make LHS as a square term. Then what is meant by completing? The word completing is meant by making necessary operations to get LHS as a square term. You have to making some necessary operations to get LHS as a square term. That's why this method is called completing square method. So according to our previous video, we have to follow 3 steps. Step 1, keep constant in RHS. Step 2, making x square coefficient is equal to 1. Step 3, add x coefficient into 1 by 2 whole square on both sides. Okay, simply now we are going to solve the problem. Are you ready? Then what is the given equation here? In solution, write down the given equation. That is, given equation is, write down here, that is 3x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Then you have to follow the first step. Keep constant in RHS. Here what is the constant? 4. It is in LHS. Therefore, it is to be transposed to RHS. Then the step will be like this. 3x square, isn't it? Minus 5x is equal to minus 4. Okay, then next, what is the second step? Making x square coefficient is equal to 1. Here, what is the x square coefficient? 3. Therefore, how to make this 3 as 1? How can you make this 3 as 1? By divided by 3. Okay, by 3, here also, by 3, here also, by 3. That means the throughout equation we have to divide it by 3. Okay, therefore what happens? Cancellations are going on. Here 3 ones, isn't it? Here 3 ones. So you have like this, x square, isn't it? Minus 5x by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, now come to step 3. Here what is step 3? Step 3 is add x coefficient into 1 by 2 whole square. Here what is x coefficient? You have to write add x coefficient is 5 by 3. You should not considering the sign here. Taking only numerical coefficient. That is 5 by 3 x coefficient into 1 by 2. Isn't it? Into 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2 whole square on both sides. Okay, then what happens? That is x square, you write the previous one, that is minus 5x by 3. You have to add, this is how much here clearly? 5 ones are 5. Okay, then 3 2s are 6. It is nothing but 5 by 6 whole square. Okay, therefore you have to write with other color. Plus, here I will add 5 by 6 whole square is equal. Here the RHS is minus 4 by 3. Then you have to add plus 5 by 6 whole square. Okay, then if you take this is as a square, Okay, you can take this is as b square. So it should be 2ab. So if you have any doubt, you have to clarify here. Okay, here a is x, b is 5 by 6. Write down a is equal to x, then b is equal 5 by 6. Then you will find the value of 2ab. 2ab is equal 2 into x into 5 by 6, isn't it? Here, go through carry here 2 ones, 2 threes. It is nothing but x into 5. That means 5x by 3. Here also you have 5x by 3. Therefore, it is equal to 2ab. So, whenever you add x coefficient into 1 by 2 whole square, automatically the middle term takes 2ab form. Therefore, you have the formula like this: a square, here minus 2ab plus b square. It is nothing but a minus b. It is equal a minus b whole square, isn't it? Write down what is a here, x minus what is b here, 5 by 6, okay, whole square is equal to here minus 4 by 3 plus here 5 square 25 by here 6 square 36. You see here the LHS takes the form of a minus b whole square. Therefore, I had made LHS as a square term according to our plan. Therefore, you have to calculate the RHS value, isn't it? Here you have 3, here you have 36. What is the LCM of 3 and 36? It is nothing but 36. Why here? The largest number is divisible by the smallest number. Therefore, the largest number will be the LCM. Therefore, here you have 3, here you have 36. That means this 3 is increased by 12 times to get 36. Therefore, this numerator also will be increased by 12 times. That means minus 4 twelves. Okay, it is nothing but 48. Plus here you have 36, here also you have 36. Therefore, there is no change in the numerator. Therefore, there is no change taken place in numerator. Therefore, you have to write down 25 as it is. Okay, then write down the LHS here. That is x minus 5 by 6 whole square is equal to here minus 48 plus 25. It is nothing but minus 23 by 36. So thereafter you have to transpose this square to RHS. Why? Because you have to find the value of x. Therefore, x minus 5 by 6 is equal, whenever you transpose this square, it becomes square root. It is nothing but minus root 23 by here root 36. You see here root minus 23. Square root is always defined for non-negative numbers. So square root 23 is defined. But here we have square root minus 23. It is not defined. Its value is not a real number. So there is no scope to find the value of x in terms of real numbers. In terms of real numbers. Here the x value is imaginary. Therefore, you have to write like this: root minus 23 is not real, isn't it? Therefore, here the x value depends on this one. Therefore, x is also not real, isn't it? Therefore, that means x has imaginary roots. Not real means imaginary. There is no need to find those imaginary roots, isn't it? You have to conclude at last. X has imaginary roots, isn't it? If you have here a positive number, you have to calculate the value of x. In previous problem we have discussed. Here you get square root of minus 23. So it is not real. Therefore the value of x depends on this one. Therefore automatically x is also not real. X is also not real means x is a imaginary roots. There is no need to find these roots. Okay, isn't it? Okay, thank you for watching this video.